Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tags from friends on Facebook and missed important moments because you didn't get notified, this quick guide shows you how to enable notifications for tags on Facebook Web from your PC with the newest update. First, open Facebook in your web browser and sign in if you aren't already. You'll land on your newsfeed. To tailor notifications just for tags, start by locating your profile area. In the top right corner, click your profile photo. This opens a small menu with key options for your account settings and privacy. From there, look for Settings and Privacy and click it. A drop-down menu appears, giving you quick access to more detailed settings. Choose Settings to dive into the broader control panel for your Facebook experience. It's here that you'll find the controls that manage how you're informed about activity on the platform. Next, click Notifications. This is where Facebook groups your alerts into categories so you can fine-tune what you want to hear about. You'll see several sections like comments, tags, and other activity. You want to focus on tags, which governs when you're mentioned or tagged in posts by others. Inside the tags section, locate the option labeled Friends. This setting lets you decide how you get notified when friends tag you. By selecting Friends, you're telling Facebook to notify you whenever people you know tag you in new posts, photos, or comments. Turn on or toggle the switch to ensure alerts come through as push notifications, emails, or both, depending on your preferences and what you've set in your general notification options. And after you've enabled friends under tags, it's a good idea to review any related sub options. Some updates add nuances like notifications for tags and posts from friends only, or for tags and groups and pages you follow. Adjust these according to how actively you want to monitor tagged content. Finally, test the setup by asking a friend to tag you in a post or photo. Check your notification center and ensure the alert arrives promptly. If you don't see it, revisit the notification settings and confirm the friends under tags is still active and that your device or browser isn't silencing notifications. With these steps, you'll stay on top of tag moments from friends on Facebook Web, keeping you connected without missing important memories,